सामाजियारो ईंदो पंहिंजनि ख़्यालनि जो इज़हार कंदो नंढड़ा मिठड़ा सुहिणा ॿार आस वतन जी ऐं आधार लिखण पढ़ण जी कयो तयारी देश जी थींदी नामाचारी देश जी नामाचारीअ में पंहिंजो हिसो पंहिंजो आवाज़ मिलाइण जे लाइ सेसुमल पब्लिक स्कूल थाणे गुला खान जो नंढड़ो सुबैर शबीर जतियार
Chief of Brand TV, Ghulam Nabi Moori Sahab, teachers, elders and students. Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. Topic of my speech is student perspective about teacher, student education. Honorable sir, as a student we expect our teacher to be as kind as angels. When a student come out from safe home, it is the teacher who became his parent and guide. It is the teacher who lifted our children from us to sky. If teacher fails, our delicate dream will be shattered. Teacher must be demanding too, but in a way his motivation. Sir, as far as school is concerned, it must be a light garden. As our Holy says, children are flower of paradise. Therefore, sir, the school should be provided a gentle climate where we can explore the nature of science and society. And the education, sir, must be like gardening, so that questions that come in our mind be resolved and not confused. If system works in this way, sir, I assure you that new generation will be masters of their own destiny. I hope strongly that you elders will make every effort to improve the system. I thank you.